actual.
Yes.
Yes.
When you shoot commercials like that, oops, you get to really eat. At talagang kumain ako ng buong araw na yun kasi it's really such a moment for me because I really, really love McDonald's ever since I was a kid.
Yeah.
So it was such a treat.
How does it feel watching it here with everybody and fulfilling a childhood dream?
It was so surreal for me to shoot. In fact, hindi naman po ako nabubulol sa mga shoots ko, pero nakailang take talaga ako sa mga eksena ko because I was so nervous. And it was also nice because it's refreshing that you're nervous about something you love because it kind of brings back the feeling of when you first started. And again, like what I said, McDonald's has been a core memory for me and my friends and my sisters because we truly did grow up with McDonald's.
Yes, and I love that. You know, once you know you're nervous, that's how you know you care about
Yes,
what
and
you
you
do.
love what you do.
Exactly. And a while ago, you were talking about how